Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a different way of preparing the Ghanaian green chili sauce or Kpakposhito. This is a quick one, but it is the tastiest ever. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video and I'll see you later. For this recipe, you need 10 green scotch bonnet peppers, 5 garlic cloves, 3 medium-sized onions. You also need 1 maggi prawn or shrimp or crayfish and 1 maggi and about 90 grams of peeled fresh ginger. So this is all you need. You also need some vegetable oil. If you want to use a different type, please go ahead. And some salt to taste. So this is all we need. And here I'm just showing you how the Maggi cubes looks like. So this recipe, as I said, is very easy. So you have to put all your ingredients in your blender. I'm using a Ninja blender, so it is very powerful. So that's why I didn't cut my ginger. But if you have another one, please cut it into small pieces and add a little bit of oil. So I'm still adding my vegetable in my blender, and I am not going to add anything, no oil, no water, because as I said, this is a very powerful blender. So I'm just going to press on start and let it blend. So one more time, if you don't have this type of blender, please do not try and blend it without any little oil or little water, okay, because it might damage your blender straight away, okay. But if you do, just do as us and let it blend until it becomes very smooth. All right, the next step is to add about 1 cup of vegetable oil in a cooking pot and let it heat. Do not let it heat too much. Now add in the blended pepper and let it cook. Okay, so as you can see, the oil is not that hot. It is perfectly okay. Now give it a little stir and let everything fry on its own. Okay, so as you can see here, my pepper has been frying for about 3 minutes here, and I am giving it another little stir to make sure it doesn't burn. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some salt, so let's say about 1 teaspoon, but you need to taste it. Okay, stir it and taste it, and if you think it is enough, then leave it as it is, and if you need a bit more, then go ahead and add more. So now we are going to add a bit more oil, so about 1/2 cup. So the total oil will be 1.5 cup. That's all you need. So add it, stir it, and now leave it to cook for about 15 minutes on the lowest heat possible. And your green chili sauce or Kpakposhito is ready when oil comes on top and it gets that little darker green color. So here I'm going to serve some on my little container for you to see it, and I can guarantee you that your kitchen will smell awesome. It is a very nice and quick recipe. Okay guys, thank you all for watching this video. Please keep this Kpakposhito in an airtight container with the oil on top and enjoy it with whatever you like. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.